In this video, we are going to understand the demo of Backslash. So here you can see that we have written two statements, two print instructions basically, and we are saying that A followed by backslash n, then B followed by backslash n, then C. So this was in uppercase. Likewise, the second statement will be in lowercase. Once you go to the run command from the menu and click on this run module, this is the output that you will get. So backslash n is for new line, and this is the output that you will get on the shell. So all the characters that we have printed, they will be visible in separate lines.